Hi guys, good morning. I always look yellow and weird. It's Vlogmas day 4. I was a little bit sick. It's Monday. Today is the 4th. Yesterday was Sunday. I couldn't film. As you can see, I have a cannula on. I was flowing so much. I was dehydrated. I felt dizzy. So I had to go to the hospital for them to put a cannula on so that I can take NS. I was even going, I forgot to pick my camera. I left everything in the house and I went, including my phone. I have some packages coming in from Tospino Mall and I have to fold some laundry. It's been a while. I hope I can do it. I'm still low on energy though, but I hope I can get up and do something. Maybe I'll do all that today. If I'm not able to do them, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? I'm done bathing. I want to put some NS on and eat as well and wait for the guy to bring me my stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. Guys, I just received my stuff. Let's do a little unboxing together. So I got them from Tospino Mall. This is how they are. It's just like Jumia or Kiku if you're in Ghana, and their prices are relatively cheap. Sometimes you get free shipping on them, sometimes you don't get. So I think all of these things I got free shipping on almost 8% of them. So let's open them up. Sorry, I'm not doing things. I'm low on energy. So this is a double-sided tape. I got this for 10 cities. This is about 1 meter. That is like 100 centimeters. Let's unbox this one too. I got another light. This is Christmas lights. I got this for like 10 cities free shipping. I think this one is the watch as it was said. I got these watches for my sister's kids. Looking at it now, I think it will be bigger than their wrist, but I'll actually give it to them. This is how it looks like. Let's open this one up. I got this one for my sister. I'll be wrapping all of these up. I really want to go to town to get wrap papers, but guys, I'm still low on energy. I don't want to do anything today. This is how it's like. You just put it around your wrist. Then the last but not the least, this is the earring that I bought for 19 cedis. Mom stuff is not in, so I'm waiting for those ones. Then I do the wrappings. These are all the things that I bought. I hope I can go out. If I'm going out, you see. If I don't go out, you see. See you guys in a bit. Welcome to Vlogmas day 5. So this morning I did some editing. I'm about to post the Vlogmas day 1 and 2. I didn't do day 3 though, but I did day 4 and today is day 5. So I was doing some edits and I just finished. I had this pile of things in my chair. I folded them and I wanted to take them to my wardrobe, but as of now it's 12:34. I'm going to work for afternoon shift. I want to stop. When I come back home, I'll just put them away. I'm quite late for work, but I have to finish what I'm doing. So I'm putting my lip gloss on, as you know already. This is for the shininess. It's called almond oil natural something something. I'll do this one for the thickness. Let me show you my dress. So this is the dress and this is the bag. I'll find some sandals to wear. Then I leave for work. See you at work. Bye.